G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm off to McDonald's. They got a brand new burger, the Cheesy Angus. Now they did have a cheesy range out about 3 years ago and I tried the cheesy beef burger. But this is the Angus beef burger. So let's whip inside, grab one, suss it out and see what it's like. Let's go get one! Alright, well here we go. The Cheesy Angus Burger, $11.90 this cost. Now, 3 years ago I had the Cheesy Beef Burger, it was $8.45. I gave it a 5 out of 10 by the way. And now it's like $10.90, so it's gone up like by $2.50. So this Angus one's $1 extra on top of that. Anyway, I've got the scales. Let's see how much it weighs. It's actually got a decent weight about it. Oh, 410 odd grams. Now that is a decent weighted burger. Anyway, let's suss it out. Ooh, come at me, bro. I hope it's cheesy. Oh, it's even got a box with Cheesy Angus written on it. Here we go. Da, 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 da. Oh, mate. Oh, look at that bun. That is so shiny and beautiful looking. So this bun, beautiful and soft. And underneath here, it looks like some mayo and, well, it's probably got the chili sauce. The last time they had the chili sauce and it was very overpowering. But we've got some lettuce and, ooh, it looks like 2 bits of tomato there. Tons of lettuce actually. Boy, that's a lot of lettuce. And we've got hidden in there, that's apparently some cheese. We got another piece of cheese there, like a big block of mozzarella. That thing is massive. And there's our Angus beef there. All right. Okay, well, it's a little bit different to last time. I think I had a big thing of mayo under there and lots more chili sauce on top, which overpowered the burger, and that's why I only gave it a 5 out of 10 last time. Oh, mate, I just want to see what this cheese is like. Not too bad. It's got a nice saltiness about it and a nice chewiness about it. It's got, a nice cheesiness about it. It tastes really nice. Let me just check. This is chili sauce, though. Yes, it is. It's a little sweet. It's got a nice little kick to it, and it does taste pretty good. All right, let's go. Oh yeah, right. Well, that's tasting all right. I'm really enjoying the saltiness of that cheese. And is this Angus beef salty? Let's cross our fingers. It is. Yeah, it is salty, juicy, beefy. Oh man. That is good. Well, so far I'm really enjoying this. The last time I had one of these cheesy burgers, it had so much chili sauce on it that it drowned out all the other flavors on this burger. I couldn't taste the cheese or the meat or anything other than the chili. But this time it looks like they've toned down the chili on it, and well, it's there in the background but you can't really notice it, and it's not overpowering the rest of the burger, which allows you to taste that cheese and beef on there, which is exactly why you'd buy this thing. This thing is tasting good. Ooh, yeah. I need some more. Now, I'm pretty sure that is mozzarella. I looked on the ingredients and it didn't tell me, but there is a bit of a sourness about it that, I mean, it's a processed sourness about it, but it still tastes all right. And when I was checking the ingredients, I noticed that it probably should have some bacon on it. So I'm not sure if it's supposed to have bacon on it or not, but I'll tell you what, if it had bacon on it, it would have been even better. But as it is, mate, it still tastes pretty nice. So I wonder what score I'd give it out of 10. Well, value-wise, $11.90. Well, now I'm not even sure if it's supposed to have bacon on it or not. With bacon on it, mate, that'd be great value. Without the bacon, I still thought it was pretty good value because it's 400 grams of burger and that's pretty big and quite filling. And I know that this cheese is not cheap. Flavour-wise, well, I just love the flavours on this. All the ingredients together just tasted so good, and they blended in nicely, and it just tasted really good. I love the cheese, even though it's got a bit of sourness about it, and that Angus beef is nicely salted now, and without the excess of chili on it, mate, it just really is going down an absolute treat, and I'm thoroughly enjoying it. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the Cheesy Angus Burger, with or without bacon, I reckon this deserves 8.8 out of 10. Man, this burger is really tasty. I'm really enjoying it, and well, it's got the chili on there. It doesn't really burn the back of your throat or anything. It's actually quite mild in there, so it won't overpower the burger, and if you're not into chili, you probably might still like it. I still don't know if it's supposed to have bacon on it, but if you do go to grab one, ask if it's supposed to have bacon on it. Even though you can't even get served by a human anymore, you got to go through that machine stuff, but mate, it's really tasty and definitely one I'd come back for. Now I'm really wondering if this is supposed to have bacon on it. I'm going to go back inside and ask. Alright, well I went back inside and asked, and yes, it was supposed to have bacon on it. And instead of giving me a new burger with bacon on it, they just gave me some bacon. Ah, yes, bacon. There's a few extra grams on the way to this burger. So, how about I stick some bacon on this last bit and see what it tastes like with bacon. Oh, mate. Well, it tastes a little bit drier, actually. I'm struggling to swallow it. And to be quite honest, I don't even think it tastes any better. Well, there you go. The McDonald's Cheesy Angus, mate, it tastes pretty good with or without bacon. But if you do go there, mate, you might want to make sure when you do order it, open the burger up at the counter and make sure it has got the bacon on it, if that's what you want. Anyway, that's all today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I eat a burger at McDonald's. See you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are